Unraveling the Bull Session, a guide to understanding informal American English. Hello, English learners and curious minds. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that might baffle many: bull session. It's a piece of American slang that's both colorful and intriguing, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in a conversation. The term bull session refers to an informal, spontaneous conversation between a group of people, where they discuss various topics without any real purpose or structure. These sessions are characterized by their relaxed atmosphere, where participants feel free to speak their minds openly and candidly. Interestingly, bull session originated in American colleges in the early 20th century. It's believed to have come from the idea that the participants were shooting the bull, which is another way to say they're chatting without any serious intent. This kind of casual talk often happens late at night among students in dorm rooms or hangout spots. You might use the phrase bull session when telling a friend about a casual chat you had. For example, "We had a bull session last night and solved all the world's problems, or at least we thought we did." It's perfect for describing those laid-back, rambling conversations that everyone enjoys now and then. Bull sessions are a staple in American social culture, embodying the value of free speech and the exchange of ideas. They're seen as a way to bond, share perspectives, and enjoy each other's company without the pressures of formal debate or decision-making. And that's a wrap on bull session. We hope this video has illuminated a little corner of American slang for you and that you'll feel confident joining in or even starting a bull session of your own. Happy chatting, and see you in our next English language adventure.